Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this deep sea crab in Fish It Roblox. So the deep sea crab is an elusive catch that only lives in the deepest trenches of Fish It, which is in the Lost Isle. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact location and the best bait and rod you need to pull this crustacean. So as for the location, you can just head into the treasure room in the Lost Isle. And for the rod in here, I'm using the element rod to guide the fish and also the singularity bait. So once you enter the treasure room, you can just go down in here when there's this pool right here, and then you can just go fish with your bass rod. So try your luck to get the deep sea crab. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.